Now we are going to look at formula calculation options. So to get the option, go to formula and you can see here. So calculation options, calculate sheet, calculate now. Okay, so let me explain where we use this option. In Excel, generally whenever you update any formula, so Excel does the calculation. Say for example, I'll update some formula. So now Excel does the calculation. If I copy paste this formula down, see again the calculation happen automatically whenever you update anything in the cells. Okay, so when we use this option, assume when you work with the huge data with huge formula. Okay, so that time it will take lot of time to update the information. Okay, in case if you have 10,000 formulas in one cell, or you have formula in 10,000 row, 20,000 row, so in that case when you try to update, it takes more time even for a single updation. So assume I want to update 10 here. If I update 10, Excel does the calculation. If I update 20, Excel does the calculation. It's for each and every update, Excel does the calculation. Okay, so but when you work in huge workbook in that time, so you may have a situation like you don't need to calculate each and every time. So whenever it's required, that time you can calculate. Okay, so that will save your time, because for each updating each and every small value also you don't need to wait, because sometimes it take even more than 5 or 10 minutes also to update. It depends on your data. To avoid that, so we can use calculation option. So whenever you want, that time alone you can do the calculation. But for working with a small Excel sheet, this option will not work. Only this will be useful when you work with the huge data with the formulas. Even when you work in huge data which doesn't have any formula, then this option will not be useful. Only when you have huge data with formula, then this will be useful. Let me show you how this works. So by default, all the Excel calculation will be automatic. So if you go to calculation option, so it's always automatic. Okay, so now let me move to manual. So I'll update some function here. So now I got the total. You can see the total here. The same will match. You can screen the status bar down 236799. So let me copy this and paste it for other cells. If you noticed, I'm getting a same number because I supposed to get different number, because I have different number here. If I add this, actually I supposed to get 328533, but I'm getting the same number. Whatever I copy pasted, I'm same number. Let me copy paste this. The other cells. It's a formula. I'm getting the numbers because I don't have any data here, but still I get some number because Excel is not doing the calculation, because we kept as manual. So to calculate that, so you have to click calculate now, that is F9. So if you do this, Excel does the calculation. So let me press F9, or let me click this button. So now the calculation has been done. So now you can see we got the figures. Here we got 0 because we don't have any value. Okay, so you can also do the calculation for the whole workbook. Also you can do the calculation for only that particular sheet. So where we use whole workbook, again depends on the volume of the data. Assume you have n number of sheet, all the sheet contains a huge volume of data. In that case, you updated something in the sheet which you work. Okay, so instead of doing the calculation for the entire workbook, so you can calculate only that particular sheet. So the particular sheet alone gets calculated. But if you, for that you have to press shift F9, or you can say calculate sheet. Now I worked in the sheets. Okay, so now I'll copy paste this formula. I'll update formula here. Sum. Okay, I'll copy paste this. If you see here, the formula is not updated, it's the same. So assume now I want to refresh only this. Assume I was working for past 2-3 hours, I work for all the workbook. So now I want to calculate, I can calculate now, which will refresh all the workbook. But assume I'm working on only one workbook. Okay, so other workbook I don't want to refresh. In that case, to save time, you can calculate only this particular sheet. So this will run quickly compared to calculate now. So now if I press this, you get the results very soon. Okay, so now we have very less number of data. So generally if you use calculate now, it will take more time. Okay, so this is the main purpose of the main purpose in the use of the calculation. So when you use calculation, you should have good amount of data. So then only it will be useful, data as well as the formula. If you have more formula, it takes more time for the calculation. Hope you understood. Let's move to next option.